I'm Jai Vishnu. I'm from IT department.
Hi, I'm Meenakshi Priyadashini from IT department.
Now we are going to share our experience we got during our value-added course held from 21 Feb to 26 Feb 2020, organized by our department through Smart Hands Company, and our resource person is Mr. Richard Rosario.
In this course, we have learned how to create a website using Python in Django platform, and also we have created our own website and we created a video presentation on it.
And our performance is being evaluated through an MCQ test and website creation.
So we thank our management, principal, our department HOD, our faculty members and supporting staff for organizing such a wonderful course. Thank you.